Stop. If you're at the 127 point in video 17, you may hear me say the words, I'm plugging my phone into my computer. Okay? Now, let me tell you why I'm making this video as an addition to video 16. I got a lot of comments about making screenshots using a particular phone and also downloading the APK file onto your phone. Okay? So, if you're watching video 17, okay, you'll see at the 127 mark, I say stop. Okay? So, and the reason I'm recording that screen is so that we know where we're at. Okay? So, anyway, this is what you're going to need to do. You're going to get the cable. Okay? Let me get your phone cable and your phone. You're going to plug it into your computer, like so. Okay? Screen. Okay? And depending on your phone, you may have to install some software and so forth. I have an LG phone. But anyway, I'm going to get my phone here. Okay? What I have to do is do this process for some reason. Don't ask me why. But what's going to happen is, okay, you're going to have your phone contents, which is your internal and your external. Now, we're going to put this APK file on our SD card, okay? If you don't have an SD card, you might have to put it on your internal storage phone, okay? But anyway, and actually you'll see that in the video, okay? But what we're going to do is, and right now I'm at our preview build, okay? You're going to preview build it. You're going to click that. Okay, and of course, you got to wait 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're going to refresh it, then we're going to download it onto our phone. Okay? So we're going to let that build real quick. And from there, I'm going to show you how to take your screenshots, okay, and I'll briefly tell you how to upload your screenshots onto your Google Play account. Okay, and let's see, for the sake of time, I'm just going to download a file. Okay, we'll just say it's been 3 minutes, so I'm going to download our file. I'm going to put it on my desktop. Okay, I'm going to save it. Okay, now I'm saving it on my desktop. Now, let's look at my desktop. Here's that file. Okay, now what I'm going to do, here's my SD card. Just take that file and just move it over. Okay, and that file is right here. Okay, so it's on my phone. So this is what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm going to go to my phone. And I'm going to go to File Manager. Okay. Okay. I'm going to go to my external. Okay. And I'm going to go to my file, which is right here. Okay. So then I'm going to click it. You're going to go to Package Installer. Click Package Installer just once. And that's our preview file. So we're going to install it. Okay, and we're going to open it. Okay, and that's our app. That's how it looks on our mobile device. Okay, now, after you test it, what you can do, just go through all the tabs and test it, and which we've already done. Okay, but just make sure all the tabs load and everything. And so forth. Now we already did that already, as I said before. So what we're going to do next is, while we have this here, we're going to take our screenshots. Okay. Now, this is where we got a lot of different phones in the market right now, probably thousands of different phones. But for mine in particular, for my phone in particular, what I have to do is press my down button. Let me go back to my app. I lost it for a second there. Let me show you what I have to do for my phone. Okay. Now for my phone, I have to press the down button and the power button at the same time. Now, depending on your phone, you may have to do something else. Now, let me just show you real quick how mine works. Okay. I'm pressing the down button and the power button. Okay. That's it. Now, you want to get screenshots of everything on your app. Okay. I'm moving on to the next tab. Let me get screenshots on everything. Okay. I'm pressing the down button and the power button. Okay. And that's it. Now, as I said before, depending on your phone, okay, you may have to do something different. Now, and let me tell you this, actually, this took me like a half day to figure out how to take simple screenshots. But suppose, you have your phone and, you don't have the directions or you can't find the directions. You can just simply go to Google. So let's do that. What you can do, just go to Google real quick and type in how to take screenshot on, let's see, a Samsung. Let me just say Samsung, and you got some choices there. Galaxy S, and so forth. Or it can even be a Nokia, whatever it is. Whatever your phone is. Oops. Okay. So, and click that. And really, that's the best way, to find out how to take screenshots for your particular phone. And really on YouTube is where you really learn. Okay. So they show exactly how they do it. Okay, so for example, that's a video when I take a screenshot on the Lumina 900 series, such and such. Okay, all right. So once you take your screenshots, what you'll need to do, okay, is go back to your phone's SD card. Okay, and you're going to need to go to the internal storage. Okay, so let's do that. And mine stores my screenshots on pictures. Okay, so for my particular one, I'm going to go to pictures, and these are the screenshots that I just took. Let's see if we can get a picture there. Okay, well, because it's on my phone, let's see, it's not going to really show it. Yeah, but those are the screenshots that I just took. Now, this is what I do. Grab that whole folder. Right click, copy that whole folder, minimize, put on your desktop, and one over here, okay. And there are those screenshots on my computer, okay. And on my computer, you can see what they actually look like. Not to see what they look like. See, it has the mobile icons and your tabs at the bottom, okay. All right, so, oops, didn't mean to do that. Let's see. I'm still figuring out how to work this new computer. Let's see, I'm on desktop. Yeah, okay. So bear with me. But that's how you take your screenshots. Once you get your screenshots taken, oh, let me show you something real quick that I also do. These are on my phone, okay, I can just delete these now. Okay, so when I do my next app, that folder will already be ready, so I won't have a whole bunch of screenshots. So I just deleted the screenshots from my internal storage, okay? But, like I said, once you got your screenshots, you're going to go to, well, after complete the process of previewing your app, taking your screenshots, you're going to put your screenshots right here. Now, I'm in my Google Play account, okay? This is my... for Candy Crush Levels help guide. you're going to put your screenshots right here. Now your screenshots have to be the size between you can use 480 by 800 or the 560, I believe it is. Let me see. What size is that? And the case of my phone, they are 540 by 960. Okay. So either one, if you have a smaller phone, it takes the 480 by 800 or the 540 by 960. And what you do is simply just, you can drag and drop, which is what I mainly do. In fact, let me show you real quick. Shrink that like that, move that over. You can just drag and drop. You know, this would be like a gray space, but just drag and drop and just do it like that. Okay. So that's how you load your screenshots onto your Google Play account and for any other app platform that you may be using. So, oh, and matter of fact, if you try to use any other image besides those two sizes or your phone screen size, they will not take it, which will cause you to get an error and will cause you to, like when you save it in store listing, you'll see that gray little check box instead of the green check mark. And you'll be wondering why. Well, that's the reason why. Now, for your 7-inch tablet and your 10-inch tablet, I believe the size is 800 by 480, something like that. You'll have to do custom unless you have a tablet, okay? And you know how to take screenshots from your tablet, then you can do it that way. But otherwise, what I had to do is customize that size. I had to go to Pixlr and make another custom for that size. And like I said, you know, if you need more information, just click those Learn More buttons. Okay, that's what I do. I can find out what sizes and so forth. So with that, we're going to go ahead and end that video. And I just told you how to take screenshots from your preview APK file, load them onto your phone. Okay. I also briefly told you how to check all your tabs and make sure they're running and that they're in order. So with that, I'm going to end this video, and you can get back to watching the video 17. Continuing on, publishing your app to Google Play Store. So sorry for that brief interruption, but it was an interruption that you needed to know. All right. Mobile App Mobile, signing off.